Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. I have missed you guys so much, so I'm so excited for today's video. Also, it is September, so happy fall. I don't care if it's not officially fall yet. It's below 90s in Texas, so that is fall to me. So today I'm gonna be just kind of getting back in the swing of things after summer. Today was actually the first day that I've been to Pilates since summer started. So I took like a break during the summer so I could spend all my time with my babies. Most of the time I usually just go to work out whenever they're at school, so that's what I did. Both of them went to school today and I was able to go to my class, which was so nice. Only thing though that I'm just like, my class that I go to, they do not play good music, and I feel like for me, like, music just makes the biggest difference. Like, it just motivates me, you know. I need something upbeat and they're playing like this like soft rock music that's like old school, and I'm just like, what is this? So I think honestly I'm gonna bring like an AirPod and just listen to my own music, and like basically, so like in the other ear I can still hear what the teacher's saying, then I can like get in my own zone. I need to pull up into the garage and go inside because the cleaner just got here. I'm actually working with HomeGlow in today's video, and I'm so excited because we're actually going to be hosting Amanda's baby shower this weekend, so I needed a really good like deep clean of the house before we host the party here. I'm so excited to show you guys what we've been working on. Me and Lauren have been planning her entire shower. She has like no idea of any of the details, and I'm just like, I cannot wait to like see it come to life. So we have a lot of prepping for that we have to do this week. Today, like I said, I'm just kind of getting back in the swing of a routine, so I'm gonna go inside, get myself ready. I have some work to do, and I also want to try to make dinner before the kids get out of school, and just because they always are hungry like literally right after school, so I want to have like a nice home cooked meal for them as soon as they get home. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this day started. You might have noticed the new interior. I got a new mom car, which I'm so excited about, and Omar made the interior lights pink for me, which is such a slay. Here was the Pilates look of the day. This is actually a set that I got from Uniqlo like maybe last year, but it is so good. I wish that the top was longer. That's the only thing. But I love the chocolate brown. Okay, I'm just gonna do like a little bit of light makeup. I have been storing all of my makeup in this pouch. It's just been so much easier anytime I need to travel, just to like grab the pouch and go, rather than having to like dig through my drawers trying to figure out exactly what I need. So yeah, kind of everything that's like back stock is in my drawers, but then my everyday essentials are in here. Does anyone else do that? Also, I've been using this new brightening toner that honestly TikTok shop got me on this one. I'm very rarely like influenced on TikTok to buy things, but I've just been like kind of putting it in my hand and then like dabbing it in, and I just feel like it makes my skin so like glowy and clear. So anyways, we have been going the past several weeks. 2 weeks ago we went to visit Amanda, and that was a very hard trip for me to bring both my kids on because it's a 6-hour drive typically, but it took us like 7.5 hours to get there on our way there because of traffic. Poor Jojo got car sick in the car like 2 different times, and I'm probably gonna wait a while until he's a little bit older to bring him, to be honest. Omar was like, you know what, next time you want to go visit your sister, either you just go or you bring Elena. Like, we don't need to all go just because it's just really hard, especially on Jonah, to be in the car that long. So anyways, we did that. Also last week we went to Turkey. Omar and I went to Istanbul to search for manufacturing partners for Ella, and we went and sat through like probably over 10 hours of meetings. So many fun things are in the works behind the scenes for Ella, you guys. I am so excited. I have been using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue again recently. This used to be like my OG favorite, and I just kind of missed it. I don't know, I just wanted something that was like really like lightweight, easy to wear every single day. It has a little bit of SPF in it, 30, but it's just like a whipped consistency, and it just sits so well on my skin and gives me a really nice glow. So I just missed it, and I wanted to go back to like what I know I love. I've been using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter. Is that what it's called? Oh, Easy Blur, not Faux Filter. Easy Blur foundation, which is beautiful. beautiful, but I just needed something like a little bit lighter weight for every day. Plus it doesn't have any SPF, which I kind of like the SPF in my makeup for everyday basis. I'm just gonna do like a little bit of concealer, a little bit of like complexion products. I don't think I'm gonna even do mascara today. I love this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. No, I'm calling everything the wrong name. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Powder. It is literally the best powder for setting your eye makeup, or I mean your concealer. I just put like a little bit. Less is more with makeup, you guys, honestly, especially as I'm getting into my 30s. I'm just gonna add a little color to my cheeks. Okay, here is today's outfit. It is the Rima sets from Ella that literally I just live in because they're so comfortable, and it's the perfect mom uniform. It's this like cotton gauze fabric that's just so breathable and comfy. And of course I'm wearing it in chocolate brown, since chocolate brown is like the color of the season this year, which actually surprised me because like it has been in style. I didn't think that it would become like a whole moment. I just felt like it was kind of a classic at this point. But I paired it with this chocolate brown hijab, which I typically don't wear this dark of a color around my face, so let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this is my work from home comfy mom look for the day. The cleaner just finished up in the kitchen, living, dining area. It feels so nice and it smells so good. This is actually my first time using HomeAglow, and it was so easy to just get on the website, find a cleaner in my area that has amazing reviews. She has done such an amazing job. I'll go ahead and put the before and after so you guys can see like what I was dealing with and just how like sparkling clean everything is now, and it just makes my mental space so much more free, and I just feel so much better. If you haven't heard of HomeAglow before, they're an online platform where you can find cleaners in your area, especially if you are a busy mom like me. You know that we need that village, and sometimes that village includes having help around the house, whether it be like a regular thing like bi-weekly, weekly, or even just for like special occasions or parties. You can just go on the website, pick which day and time you're looking for. You can see the available cleaners in your area. I was able to get mine scheduled super fast. I literally think I booked like maybe 3 or 4 days ago, but I like it because you can see photos and background checks of all the cleaners on their platform. They actually have their Forever Clean membership, so if you're planning on having it be a consistent thing, you can save a lot more with that and get your cleaning starting at $19 an hour. If you have been looking for a trustworthy and amazing cleaner for your home, I would highly recommend HomeAglow. I will leave them down below in my description box. You can go to homeaglow.com/Lena. I'll also put a QR code on screen. You can scan that and it will get you your first 3 hours of cleaning for only $19. Thank you so much to HomeAglow for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I'm gonna get to cooking now because I only have like about an hour until I need to go pick up my kids from school, and I want to prep the food because they always get super hungry after school. So let's go. Once September started, I pulled out my little bit of fall decor. I like to do some branches in this pot, and I actually upgraded them this year because every year I never have like the perfect fall branches that I really want for my home. I wanted to invest in some that I would literally use every year. So I got these from A Floral. They were about $100 for this bundle, but they just are the perfect tones and I'm obsessed with them, and I know I will literally just bring them out every single fall. I got this candle from Target. My lighter is going out actually, but I'm gonna light it because it's so nice. It's like a very subtle fall fragrance. I think it's called like Harvest or something like that, but it's super nice. Loving all the fall tones. I also wanted to mention this candle. It's by the brand Sniff. It smells so heavenly. It's half-baked pumpkin smash, and we could even smell it like before we even lit it. It is to die for. I also wanted to just quickly mention my throw pillows that I use. These I actually use like all year round, but they're the perfect fall tones. So if you're looking to like update your space or anything and just add some fall touches, I will leave these in my description box. I am gonna make a whole roasted chicken, and I'm gonna make it in this tin foil thing because it's just easier to clean. I went ahead and like washed it and then patted it dry with a paper towel. Now I'm gonna wash my rice. I'm literally just gonna do like the most simple meal, which is the roasted chicken, potatoes, and rice, and then I'll make a salad as well. But we're just keeping it healthy, simple, and comforting today, and just something that my kids will eat. Okay, this is the rub that we're going to do on the chicken. It's got parsley, lemon, garlic salt, and lemon pepper. And I'm just gonna coat the chicken with this and also the potatoes as well. Every time I wish I had gloves and I don't. So I'm gonna order them from Amazon like literally right now. Okay, the chicken is prepped. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this and cover it and leave it in the oven while I go pick up my kids, and it will be done in about an hour. It's just something about a roasted chicken is just so comforting, and it screams like home cooked meal to me. So I'm so excited. We are back from school pickup. I'm making a little snack for Jojo. He's requesting oranges, and I actually just got them like all cleaned up. I like to change them as soon as they get home into comfy clothes, and then kind of give them a snack and let them chill out and watch a little bit of TV while I finish getting their like actual meal ready. Here, Jojo. Hey, Donna. Hey, baby. Dinner is ready. It's a very early dinner. It's like probably 4:30 right now, but like I said, my kids get super hungry, and also I am also very hungry, so we're gonna go ahead and eat now. But I put it on an air fry function on my oven for like 5 minutes on 400, and it crisped up the skin, and it just looks so delicious now. I'm cleaning up dinner right now, and I went ahead and packed these 2 meal preps so Omar can take one to work and I can eat one tomorrow during the day. But yeah, nice having leftovers for lunch the next day. Hi guys! Lauren's over. She just brought our dresses for Amanda's baby shower. Literally so excited.
We are so excited. We're like so giddy.
I know. We've been planning this for months. Literally months. Yes. And we have how many days? Let's see, it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Oh, it's in 3 days.
I'm kind of freaking out a little bit.
Okay, but the thing is, we got all of the planning done before we both left on our trip.
Yes, yeah.
Like, everything done.
Yeah, we both just got back from our trips a couple days ago, so like pretty much everything is like finalized.
Taken care of.
We do have to make sure we have enough tables, which is kind of a big deal,
yeah, like,
but
everybody RSVP.
Yeah, like we were not expecting everyone to show up, like
yeah.
But of course literally they're gonna come. It's Amanda. Like everyone's gonna come see Amanda's baby shower.
But we're
support her. So we got our dresses from Chats, which
yes, Chats by CDAM.
Thank you so much, Chats. These dresses are perfect, the perfect tones. So I'm not even gonna say anything because Amanda might watch this video, so yeah, y'all are gonna be surprised too. But she's seen these dresses, so there's no surprise ruined here. Also, Amanda's dress, she's also like crashing out because she can't figure out what she's gonna wear.
That girl is crashing out. I know Amanda. She crashes out like on any event.
Yeah,
and
this is typical.
This is so typical. I'm like, it's nothing different. And I texted like at the beginning of the week. I'm like, Amanda, like, do you want to get your hair done? Because I know this girl is gonna crash out if she has to do her own hair.
Can you imagine? Pregnant Amanda
crashing out,
trying to do her own hair.
Because when we were in Jordan for the wedding, and she was trying to do like her own updo or something, she called me literally crying.
Oh no, we don't need that on her day.
So I'm like, girl, we're getting your hair done. We don't have time for this.
Good idea. I'm glad you mentioned that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try on the dresses.
I'm excited.
So pretty. Okay, we just put them on.
They're so cute.
It's giving bridesmaids.
Yes,
they are. Bridesmaids.
Sister of the mom.
Yes, sister of the baby mama. But they're so cute.
Yes. I love how like we're like same but different.
I know. Honestly, I feel like I probably should have done this style. It's a little bit more modest for me.
Switch?
I don't mind. I mean, we can. It's fine.
Because I was thinking that this is a little bit more coverage.
It's a little bit more coverage.
Yeah, we can switch and see. I mean, we're literally the same size.
Okay, we changed. And I told Lauren I don't want to take her dress.
No, I think you'll feel more comfortable.
I do feel more comfortable. I feel like it's a little bit more forgiving. It gives like, I don't know, just like the
ruching is like not as, their dresses are tight. I will say that.
Yeah, but very cute.
So pretty. Yeah, and this one fits me perfectly, so.
Okay, yay.
It's so cute.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, I do feel more comfortable in this.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Lauren.
Of course. I don't know what shoes we're gonna wear. That looks so good on you.
I'm so excited.
Oh, I love it. I'm
definitely like
it
posture,
it like
you know?
pulls you up.
Yeah.
Like,
I'll be reminded to stand up
Yeah.
straight. Yeah.
This color is just so good.
Yeah, and you're gonna wear your hair
I'm
up.
gonna wear my hair up. I'm wearing like an updo.
I don't know what color hijab I'm wearing.
Whatever it
Don't
is,
look
it
at
needs
this.
to like go back like that.
Yeah, it needs to go back.
Should we wear nude heels or black heels?
I'm thinking nude. I feel like that would match the party the
Yeah.
best.
That's true. I have these like clear heels, but I'm like,
Oh, well, that would match anything. Oh
Okay,
yeah, we
your
were
shoe
saying we
selection.
haven't bought shoes in like years.
I never buy shoes. It's always like afterthought. Like, oh, I'll just wear what I have.
I know. I mean, and my shoes are falling apart. All the heels I have are like literally have mud on the heels.
It's
like,
time for some new shoes.
yeah. Well,
Cute.
anyways, thank you, Lauren, for bringing over the dresses.
Of course.
We will see you guys in my next video, inshallah. Hopefully, I'll update you guys on the baby shower.
Yes.
So, love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.